Hello, my name is Charles Severance, and I'm a faculty member at the University of Michigan School of Information.
Hey, I'm Dr. Lori Santos, professor of psychology at Yale University and the instructor of the Science of Wellbeing class.
Hi, I'm Barb Oakley, and I teach Learning How to Learn.
Hi, I'm Andrew Ng, co-founder and chairman of Coursera.
Hi, this is Vic Strecker. I'm a professor at the University of Michigan School of Public Health, and I also teach this course, Finding Purpose and Meaning, Living for What Matters Most.
I just wanted to take a second to check in with my learners. COVID-19 has changed all of our lives. And on top of that, our society is now confronting head-on the legacy of anti-Black violence. This is a really tough summer, and I know many people, especially those in the Black community, are facing anger, grief, and exhaustion. But that's why it's even more important than ever to take care of your well-being. Science can give us tools to do that, and that's why despite all the bad things going on, I'm incredibly hopeful. I think we can learn how to face these kinds of challenges even better, and that the science can help us emerge from this tough summer as happier and stronger people.
I know the last few months have been a difficult time for many of you, with COVID-19 disrupting everyone's lives and issues of racial injustice challenging all of us to build a fairer society. I just want to say to you, hang in there. We're all in this together and we'll get through it together. I've been impressed to see many of you find time to keep learning and building a foundation for the future, even amidst all this chaos.
So many people want to find purpose and meaning in their lives, and I think we can get through all of these troubles we're going through right now, potentially with great strength, that we can look back and say, I gained new purpose, new meaning in my life as a result.
Did you know that one of the best things you can do to boost your spirits during tough times is to learn something new? New learning, along with exercise, helps you create new neurons and make new connections with those neurons. This helps you feel happier. No kidding.
One of the things that I do that brings me great joy is to meet Coursera students around the world at what I call face-to-face office hours. I visited over 70 locations around the world, and if you want to drop in on a video from those office hours, just search for Dr. Chuck Office Hours. It's been a great honor to share my courses with millions of learners worldwide. So on behalf of the hundreds of people that bring you Coursera courses, thank you. And it's great to have you as part of this journey.
Thanks for being with us.
Your dedication is inspiring, and so long as all of us keep at it, we'll emerge from this stronger than ever.